I remember 2 years back, I had an interesting discussion with my best friend Kubaib. I was struggling to continue my full-time study at the university, so I was planning to take up an online course instead, as I believed this would leave me enough time to find a new job and solve my financial problems that I was having that time. Still, inside me I was struggling a bit to make up my mind for that. I had a bit doubt in my mind whether it will be a good decision or not. That's why I was having the discussion with my friend in the first place. Mainly, we discussed about the pros and cons of the online course. My opinion about the online course was that it is more flexible, as it would allow me to take lectures at my convenience as many times as I want. Plus, it would reduce travel time and travel cost. Then he pointed out that I might feel isolated and less motivated at times while taking the online course, so I might fall behind. And once you fall behind in such type of courses, it gets really difficult to get back on track. Besides, he suggested some employers don't accept online degrees, so I should reconsider my decision. It was really an interesting discussion. Though we put forward many ideas, yet ended up in the favor of the online course, so I decided to go for it. Now still I reckon it was a good decision. It cleared up my doubts and confusion. It kind of gave me a sense of confidence to take up my preferred option, and I am really glad that I did.